Okay, guys, so let's talk about this large set of moving bags that I was sent by the TICONN company. Now, I love these for several reasons. First off, I'm actually in the middle of moving, so this isn't just a regular video. I'm telling you my real experience on how it worked out. Now, I got 6 of them. And I got the color blue. They do have different colors available. Actually, they have a lot of colors available, but I thought this would be great for anyone that needs to borrow bags. At least, I don't have to give them the girly colors. So like I said, I got 6 of them. When I first looked, I was like, I wonder how much this is going to hold. But once I unfolded this bad boy and really got to stuffing the clothes in there, I was like, oh my gosh. Now, remember, I had a whole closet to myself, but this one bag held so much. And considering the fact I had 6 of them, like, all my clothing was good, and I actually got to put books and papers in one. So like I said, you're just going to put it in. The second thing I loved about it, it was really rainy the day we moved and nothing got wet because these bags are waterproof. You're able to easily zip them. I didn't have not one zipper break, and I love these really strong, sturdy handles that came with it, which made moving in so easy. Now, another thing I like now that I'm in my new house, once you don't need these sacks anymore for moving, you can just fold them up and they fit really flat nicely in a closet, wherever you need them. You can pull it out and do different things with them. I love these things, y'all. They work so well. They held so much and they're super sturdy.